Have you ever wished your simple photos could actually talk or even sing? Well, now they can. Imagine your dog singing a love song or your selfie giving a speech. That's the kind of magic this tool creates. Today, I'm going to show you an amazing AI tool called Mango AI. With just a few clicks, it can turn any still picture into a talking or singing character. You can upload your own photo, a picture of a famous personality, or even an animal photo, and in just minutes, you'll have a fun video ready. Whether it's for social media content, explainer videos, or just some entertaining clips, this tool gives you endless possibilities. And here's the exciting part. Content like this has huge potential online. Talking and singing photos can go viral super fast, and you can even start a YouTube channel around it to grow an audience and maybe even earn money. The best part, it's super easy to use and the results are surprisingly impressive. So don't forget to check the description. After watching this video, you might find some useful links waiting for you. All right, enough talk, let me show you exactly how it works. So the very first thing you need to do is head over to the Mango AI website. You'll find the direct link in the description below. Just click it and it will take you right there. Now, before we create anything, you'll need to sign up. Don't worry, it's super quick. You can sign up using your Google account or just your email. Pick whichever is easier for you. Once you're signed in, you're ready to start. And now, let me show you exactly how to create your first talking photo. Just head over to AI Features. For the talking photo, just click on Talking Photo option. Once you land on the Mango AI Talking Photo page, you'll see the layout is super simple. The very first step is to upload a photo. Just click the Upload Photo button and choose an image from your computer. For best results, pick a clear front-facing picture. It doesn't have to be fancy, just make sure the face is easy to see. You can upload common file types like JPG, PNG, or even JPEG. And hey, if you don't have a photo ready, no worries. Mango AI gives you some sample images to play with. For example, I tried it with a picture of Santa Claus, classic red suit, white beard, and all. Once your photo uploads, it will appear in the preview area. Now, look to the right-hand side of the screen. This is where the magic happens. Here you have 3 choices. Number 1 is type your own script in the text box. For example, I typed, "Merry Christmas, my lovely viewers, perfect for a fun greeting or social media post." Number 2 is upload an audio file. If you'd rather use your own recorded voice, just switch to the audio tab and drop in your file. Number 3 is record audio. Here, if you want, you can directly record your voice. After that, you get to choose a voice. Mango AI offers a variety of AI-generated voices with different accents, tones, and even languages. In my test, I used a Santa Claus-style voice in US English. It sounded clear and natural. Of course, you can scroll through and pick whichever voice fits your vibe. There's also a small drop-down option called Facial Pose. This controls how much facial movement your photo will show. You can pick small, medium, or big. I usually go with medium. It looks natural while still adding some life to the image. Once you've uploaded your photo, added your script or audio, picked a voice, and adjusted the facial pose, it's time for the fun part. Just hit the Generate button. Give it a few seconds to process, and boom, your talking photo is ready.
Merry Christmas, my lovely viewers!
The face moves naturally with the voice, and the animation looks smooth and super fun to watch. But Mango AI doesn't stop there. It also lets you create singing photos. Yes, your photo can sing too. The process is almost the same. Just head over the singing photo feature. You simply upload a clear portrait. It could be your own face, a friend's, or even one of the sample images already available on the platform. Then, add your audio clip. This can be a song, a voice track, or any sound you like. After that, you choose a singing style, natural, joyful, soulful, passionate, or even dramatic opera if you're feeling fancy. Finally, adjust the pose scale and lip sync scale to control how expressive the face appears while singing. Then hit Generate, and in just minutes, your singing photo comes to life.
La 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 la, welcome to the show. We got sounds and sprinkles and a glittery glow. Grab a seat or stand or spin around, you know. La 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 la, hey, hey, ho. This is the place where weirdos go. Big balloon hats and marshmallow cats. Yeah, la 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 la, hey, hey.
The results are entertaining and add a whole new level of personality to your content. And here's something even more exciting. Mango AI also includes a singing animal feature. This means you can upload a photo of your pet, or any animal photo, and transform it into a singing animation. The process works exactly the same way as with a singing photo. Upload the picture, add your audio, select a style, adjust the settings, and generate. Just imagine your cat singing a song for you.
Meow meow, I'm a happy kitty, la la la. Chasing butterflies, tra la la. Balls in the air, so careful.
It's hilarious, creative, and opens up endless possibilities for fun and unique content. This tool isn't just for fun, it has real uses too. Teachers can make lessons more interesting by bringing historical figures to life. Marketers can give a face to their brand without recording themselves. And if you're a content creator, it's an easy way to make your videos more eye-catching and personal. Because everything works right in the browser, you don't need a powerful computer or complicated setup. The interface is clean, simple, and free from distractions. You can try it for free with all the main features. The free version adds a small watermark, but if you want longer exports, faster processing, more voices, and no watermark, you can upgrade to the Pro plan, which unlocks everything. So, whether you want to create a talking photo, a singing portrait, or even bring your pet to life with a singing animation, this tool makes it possible. It's fast, flexible, and easy to use even if you're just getting started. If you'd like to try it yourself, the link is right there in the video description. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on more awesome tutorials like this. Also, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and share your thoughts. Your feedback really motivates me to keep creating better content for you. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for all the love, and thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.